All right, we're gonna take a cruise here and something fun. 1970, the best year, I think. SS396 Chevelle. This one's got the middle of the road 396, which is a 350 horse. L34 they call it. But man, what a nice car, man. This car drives so nice. It's geared to be driven. It's got 331 Posi-Traction in it. It's just tight gear ratios and with the Muncie M20 shifter, transmission, it's just very smooth. It's got a couple extra goodies here too. It's got a tilt wheel. It's got an AM FM radio. Actually, I have the original 8-track for it too that comes with it. Somebody wants that. It's got the functional Cowl Induction hood. It's pretty good. Nice. It's got the hood pins. Red with the black stripes. Got the 14-inch rallies. This is a very correct car. This is a correct numbered engine, but we have the original block that came with it, which was also a 350 horse. That's just a bare block that comes with it. I don't know why they didn't rebuild that one, but this one is also a 1970 350 horse 396. So it's kind of important to have when you have a car like this. We have the original build sheet on it. Nice rust-free car. All the gauges work real nice on it. That thing goes really well. And quiet too, not too crazy. No flow masters. It's got the factory exhaust system with the resonators. Well, we'll come up here and take some more pictures of it. Check out this iconic car right here. A beautiful 1970 Chevelle SS396 4-speed. This is a muscle car, man. That's what they were. 396, it's the middle of the road, 350 horse, which I think is the L48. 350 horsepower, big block. Muncie 4-speed, Posi-Traction differential. It's got a 331 gear ratio in it, so you can actually cruise it on the freeway. This thing is so smooth, so nice. I put about a couple hundred miles on it myself. You know, it's got BF Goodrich TA radials, the 14-inch rally wheels on there, the 5 spokes. You can put some meat under there if you want. I have a 70 also, and I've got 295 50s in the back, 15s. So if you want the beefy look, you can do that, but this is the stock look. This is the way the car is supposed to look. It's got the flap hood up there, functional Cowl Induction. The paint's beautiful. You know, it's not a 10, but it's a good strong 8. The chrome and trim and everything is in good shape. It's got the bumper guards there, of course the hood pins. Holding that beast in there. Dual exhaust, got the resonators on it, so it's a little quieter. It's the way they came. Inside is nice. It's got the black bucket seats, center console. Clean interior. It's got a tilt wheel too, comfort grip wheel. It has an AM FM radio. It does not work, I don't think, but you know, it's better than cutting the dash. A lot of guys will put one in the glove box or something like that, something with a Bluetooth. It's got the 3-point harnesses as well. It's even got a remote mirror. It's got a fair amount of options for a SS. Great looking car though. Here's the power plant in the 70 SS396. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a 350 horse, so still a hydraulic cam, plenty of horsepower. Nice and stock under the hood. It's got power disc brakes. You can see it's got a newer booster on there. The exhaust manifolds were coated, no headers. Quadrajet carburetor. That's what they came with. Pretty clean, chrome valve covers. Engine's painted up real nice. Like I said, this is a correct 1970 engine. I have the original engine with the VIN number on it, or at least the block, back at the shop. That comes with the car if you want it. And we'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Nice and smooth, clean runner. Dual exhaust all the way out the back. All the synchros are good in the trans. It feels amazing. It's a pleasure to drive this car. Go ahead and show you some wrapping out the back here. Yeah, sounds nice. Well, you want to come see this car at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Street, Simi Valley, California. 93065. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to give you a tour of the car. We got a bunch of other fun muscle cars too if you want to come take a peek. Thanks for watching.